I have had the opportunity to interview and get to know some phenomenal students today. And there's one final student that I'm excited to meet and spend some time with, and that is Nyah. So please help me welcome Nyah. Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Nice to meet you. Excited you're here today. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I'd love to just give you an introductory question, and that is, tell me a little bit more about yourself.
So I'm currently a sophomore at the State College of Florida Collegiate School, and I'm involved with a lot of clubs here, and I'm hoping to do something in the STEM field with engineering or some kind of science, math applications.
Interesting. STEM is a fascinating field. I feel like there's always more to learn about it. Can you tell me one thing that interests you about the STEM field specifically?
I like the idea of an engineering degree or maybe something in the medical field. With my informational interviews that I was conducting earlier, I learned a lot from a nurse that I know, and she mentioned some clinical research and how medical field applications and nurses really have a place in that role, which really interested me.
I want to come back to something you mentioned earlier, and that is dual enrollment. What got you interested in doing dual enrollment to begin with?
So I would say I'm a high achieving person. I currently have a 4.0 right now, and I hope to maintain that throughout my high school career. So I have qualified for dual enrollment, and I've really taken the opportunity to get some of my electives out of the way and kind of take it easy while I finish my last year of high school in the collegiate school.
How do you feel like collegiate school dual enrollment is preparing you for the future in STEM?
So with the collegiate school, we have our basic science and math courses. So right now we're taking chemistry, and I'm also in Algebra 2. And those kinds of applications really help me for the college level, which is some of the similar content, but at a higher degree and kind of a quicker pace.
Interesting. I know it sounds like you already have an idea of maybe the field you'd like to be in. Can you tell me a little bit more about maybe your ideal career? What would be like a fulfilling career to you?
Well, I also talked to an engineer at NASA, and he has a project management and also industrial design with his job right now, and I think that's something that would be really interesting and fulfilling for me, something that I can continue to grow in and learn new things, but also work with people and have that personal connection.
Nyah, thank you so much for walking through some of your interests and some of your academic experience. It's been a joy getting to know you. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Have a good day.
You
Take
too.
care.